Hello exclusive baddies, this is BP Exclusive. In today's video we have a little DIY jewelry bling bling type DIY. So I'm gonna tell you where I got the inspiration. So I was inspired when I seen SorellaBoutiqe. She posted some models in on her website. No, I think it was on Instagram, and they had she had hair, the model had her hair split down the middle. She had these little like clips like this with like words on them, and she had like two on each side. I don't know if it said, I don't remember what they said, but I was like, oh my gosh, I really want some of those. And so I was just gonna buy them. I'll probably still buy some, but I decided to just make them myself. I feel like they're such like Instagram, like I need to take an Instagram picture because they're cute. And and then this choker, I got inspired by, you know, that Sicko choker that you guys see. And so I put boss. I had an old choker lying around my house, so I just hot glued everything all together. Yeah, and I just had some clips I got from Walgreens, and I just hot glued it on there. Hopefully they stay. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More content on the way. Today is DIY Wednesday because, you know, I'm rolling in 2 videos a week. Well, I'm trying to. And so don't forget to follow me on my socials, on Snap, on IG. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome to the voiceover. So I'm laying out the letters, and then I'm going to be sticking on these crystals, and I use this metallic marker to paint the letters that are like wood letters I got from Dollar General. So I found an easier method. So I'm just peeling off the back of the sticker and just sticking the letters on, and then I'll be cutting this out. It's way easier because first I was just like cutting and then sticking on. This way is so much easier to do. So yeah, now I'm just putting the letters on here. And now we start cutting the letters out. So after I cut all the letters out, just cleaning up the mess I made over here. And that's about it. I didn't get any of the recording. Those are the clips, and I'm just gonna start hot gluing them on to the clips. I'm gonna hot glue the letters together and then hot glue the letters onto the clips and onto the necklace. So I didn't get any of that footage, sorry. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and it was kind of too late because they were already glued on. I couldn't take them off, but yeah, that's about it. This was a super easy tutorial. Anybody can do them. This cost me probably, what, $4? Hot glue is $1. The cardboard letters, wood letters were $1, and the crystal looking stickers were $1. And yeah, so I'm just laying it out and I'm about to place these on here. But that is all. Thank you for watching.
Man, don't make the trick, so you know we bout to turn on.